I'm Father Robert Ballester, the digital Jesuit from This Week in Tech, and I'm here at Enterprise Connect 2017, where I have the pleasure of sitting next to Dr. Jens Meggers from Cisco. Dr. Meggers, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for having me here. It's awesome, Father.
Now, you are the Senior VP and the General Manager of Cisco's Collaboration Technology Group. Tell me, what is Cisco doing here? What are you showing to the masses?
We're super excited here. Enterprise Connect 2017 is really the place to be. And you know why? Because the industry is at a huge turning curve. It's completely changing. In the past, we were more looking at tools and technologies. Now it's all about experiences, and it gets delivered now. This year is the year to be in this business. It's amazing.
We've heard a little bit of rhetoric like that before, that this is the year, this is the time, that the tools are now going to fade into the background and it's all about what I see, what I experience. What is it that makes this the year? What does Cisco have that's going to make this experience, well, usable for the average user?
So really, when you look at the experiences, what you want to do is you want to look at the experience end to end and see, does this really make technology invisible? And if it does, we're up to something. And I promise you, what we have at Cisco with Cisco Spark, it is incredible. It makes technology invisible.
Now, the best technology, of course, is the technology that you never see, you never have to troubleshoot. If someone out there is hearing Cisco Spark for the first time, how would you describe it to them?
Cisco Spark is the most advanced collaboration technology currently available in the industry, okay? It combines all the workflows from messaging, calling, and meeting in one delightful end-to-end experience. And it's one more thing. It's not just software, it's not just cloud software or on-prem software. It is a hardware to software end-to-end experience. So we're designing hardware and we're designing software together in one process. We developed a brand new design process that does that, and you will see when you look at our technology, it's just incredible end-to-end.
Oh, you've got, aside from Cisco Spark, you've got a few interesting announcements that you're making here at the show. For those folks who couldn't make it out to Enterprise Connect, what did Cisco bring that you think is really revolutionizing what happens at Enterprise Connect?
We're doing two things with Cisco Spark this year here at Enterprise Connect. One thing is we're making our Cisco Spark platform more powerful, creating better user experience. So we're delivering a brand new industry-changing video endpoint. It's called Cisco Spark Rootkit and Cisco Spark Rootkit Plus. It's unbelievable. So that's one thing. The other thing what we're doing is we're shipping a new technology that allows it to better integrate Spark into enterprises. So we have a new encryption service that brings really encryption and cloud to the masses. And we're providing new media processing nodes that makes it much easier to use existing equipment that our customers already have and connect it to our Cisco Spark Cloud.
So tell me about this Rootkit. If I were to ask Cisco to come over and pitch me and explain to me why this is the experience I want, what would be the things that you say this does that no one else does?
You really have to see it. I mean, you have to touch it to really see it. But what's really cool about it, it has a brand new array of lenses built in. Okay? In the past, we were using more analog lenses, the moving parts that will find out who's speaking, who has to be zoomed in, and so on. Now it's all digital, and it's powered by very powerful GPUs. We currently have in the new Cisco Spark Rootkit, we have about 180 times more raw processing power than in our old telepresence systems. It's just incredible what it can do. It has built-in AI, built-in computer vision. It brings video endpoints to a whole new level. It's fantastic.
Essentially what you're doing is you're making it as easy to create a collaborative session as it used to be to make a phone call. You don't need someone in the room to operate the equipment, refocus the cameras. You just let the system figure out what works best.
It's all automatic. It has built-in AI. It is incredible. You have to try it. You have to see it.
What is Cisco's dedication to making sure that session data actually stays secure?
Yeah, it's very, very important. When you ask customers to basically go to the cloud, use cloud experiences, they're always worried about data privacy and data protection. So when we designed Cisco Spark, the Cisco Spark Cloud, about 3 to 4 years ago, we built an end-to-end data encryption layer all the way at the foundation of the platform. And that has paid off now. So this week, we're announcing the availability of a separate key management server that our customers can install on-prem. So you get the security that you normally have on-prem, but now we can deliver it over the cloud. It's incredible.
And that's the way to develop a platform. Don't tack security on at the end. Make sure that it's part of the foundation.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, there are going to be those who are overwhelmed by what they see at Enterprise Connect 2017. There's going to be the IT manager out there, the CTO, the CFO, who is starting to look at their next deployment. In your mind, what would be the biggest mistake that they need to avoid?
Yeah. I think the biggest mistake is to buy a technology and not an experience. I'll give you an example. I hear a lot of people talking about the cloud, selling the cloud, deploying the cloud, using the cloud. Don't do that. Think about you buy an experience, and if this experience is powered by the cloud and makes it really, really great, yes, then the cloud is the right choice. Look at the experience, don't look at the individual technology pieces.
Dr. Meggers, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for sharing your wisdom with our audience. Now, if they can't make it to Enterprise Connect and they still want to find out about Spark, they want to find out about the collaboration group, they want to find about the technologies that create experiences and not tools, where should they go?
They definitely you want to go to CiscoSpark.com with everything about SparkBoard, Spark RoomKit, the amazing Spark apps, everything is there, CiscoSpark.com.
I'm Father Robert Ballester, and I've been speaking with Dr. Jens Meggers from Cisco. Stay tapped because we've got plenty more from Enterprise Connect 2017.